So we're on location for today's home tip. We're actually in my garage, and I set it so you can look right behind me. You can look at the garage coils on either side. I have a double car garage. Did you know in the colder months that humidity rises and that your coils can get rusted and they could break and it could cause a lot of damage, obviously, for your garage, and just you have to replace the whole system. So to combat that, go out. Go to Home Depot. If you want to go to Rona, I got this at Lowe's. They don't have Lowe's anymore, but it's garage door. It's a Prolube, and it's a synthetic spray. I actually bought this for, believe it or not, my workout equipment. When my workout guys were setting up one of the flying machines I had, they told me to get the synthetic spray. And when I went to Home Depot, they said, actually, so I got a Home Depot, not Lowe's. They said, get this stuff, and they showed me what it was. And the reason why it's good, it's like it says right here, it doesn't drip like oil, and it doesn't run, so you don't have to worry about dripping. So, and believe it or not, you can use this as a substitute for WD-40 if you use that as well. So anyway, if you haven't done it yet, it's getting colder out. What you want to do is grab this spray, put the nozzle in, and you just want to spray the coils at the top there to ensure that your garage will continue to work in the winter months.